Hey, I thought I would give a look at the van in an unusual position, one I don't see every day. I'm looking down at the van. If you look, you will see that I'm having an issue on the right side. Well, it's the left side of the car, but the right side of your screen, and that is that that gray panel down there. That should be the same color as the rest of the panels, but it looks like it's got some pretty severe delamination there. And that is the problem. Uh, see, those panels have been on there over 2 years now. And the trouble with flexible panels, at least the generation that I put on there, is that they tend to deteriorate. If you notice, there's also a little bit on the left side of the screen in the middle. There is also some delamination working on that. So now I'm deciding what I'm going to need to do to address that. Probably the simplest thing would be just to replace that panel, which I'm considering. Hopefully the newer panels, and some of those are newer panels, but they're also younger panels, so maybe they're not their delamination or that gray fogginess is going to affect those too in the generation or time. And that's the thing you've got to do and got to think about when you're dealing with uh, flexible panels. The hard panels are better. They're just difficult to install, etc. And you'll see that vinyl I got across there. They just sort of hide the wires. It's not doing a great job. But once again, I don't do pretty. Don't care about pretty that much. But just want to give you a quick look at that. So basically, I got to make a decision on either replacing that panel. A gentleman said to use deep woods off to treat that panel. I'm going to give it a shot on at least one of the squares or a corner of one of those panels. I don't want to, so I'm going to give that just a quick shot and see if that works. I have no idea. I'm not saying you should do it. I'm not even saying it's smart, but I'm saying it might be something I'm going to try. Any case, but there's the odds are that I might be replacing that panel in the not too distant future if that doesn't work. So there's a 90% chance I'm replacing that panel. All right. I will talk to you later. I'm going to give you a quick run at that. Haven't done a lot of videos. I've done a few van videos lately, but it's been few and far between. And I've got some more knife videos and I've imported over. And I've also got a couple of new tools I'm working with. Uh, Another thing I didn't mention is I'm having issues with starting this van after it runs for a while in the heat. I'm thinking it could be that starter solenoid again. I've checked the battery, and there's a certain range of power that the battery should be functioning in. When the battery is at rest, I go out and check it. It's about 12 or 13, 12.9 to 13, which is within the range of what a battery should be, voltage. When I get it running, and I want to make sure the alternator is working, because usually when you run a car and you stop and it doesn't start, that means the alternator is not fully charging. But it's charging at 14.2. Not bad. So I'm not sure exactly what the problem is, but that'll probably be a future video. Talk to you later.